Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Sean in Wisconsin on this Mirage MX-36HP3 by Ranger. Sean, got ready to go for you, bud. Pretty little radio. It does have the smaller footprint. It's not like the full-size DXs. Still got your MOSFETs, 1 drive and 2. Let's get right to it. Our power all the way down, 25 watt slug. We got you to half a watt all the way down. 5 watts all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 17 bird. 100 watt slug PEP. Hello. 42. And let me roll it all the way down. So from a half watt, 1, 2, 3, still 42 watts PEP power. 1, 2, 3. All right, Sean, it's ready to come to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. I'm your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.